Hello friends, we're back with another awesome recipe. This is protein ice cream cake with a healthy twist and it is delicious. We start off with Flavor Gang brownie batter cream of rice. We're going to cook that over the stove top to a nice thick consistency so it's just like cake batter. This will be our base. We're going to add an A&S protein powder. We like to use the cookies and cream flavor. To that we'll add in some whole earth sweetener for a little extra sweetness. We'll add those ingredients to our Ninja Swirl container and we're going to freeze that overnight. To the cream of rice batter, we're going to add in some chopped up walnuts for healthy fat and a little extra crunch. A pinch of real Redmond salt, as well as Walden's 0-calorie caramel sauce and Flavor Gang chocolate donut topping. Here we go, guys. We're going to give this a spin in our Ninja Swirl to a nice creamy consistency. And the best part, we have soft serve ice cream. Doesn't get any better than this. High protein, low calorie, healthy fat. Enjoy, guys, and thanks for watching.